This is Motorola Moto G73, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share function on this device. So to begin with, we recommend that you enable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Then among the available tiles at the control panel, find the one that says nearby share, then touch and hold on it. In here, turn on the switch in order to enable the nearby share. And from here, you are somewhat ready to use it. There are a few more configurations that you can make. So for example, you can set a custom alias for your phone. So I will name it to be simply Moto. Then you can turn on or turn off the device visibility, as well as change the mode that it is visible in. So you can restrict its visibility to only your devices, to only people from your contacts list, or to not restrict it at all and make your device visible to anybody who is currently in the range of this feature. And well, the final thing that you can alter is the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you are all set and ready to go. So I happen to have another phone on my hands right now, so I will try to transfer the screenshot, this one, through the nearby share and see how well it performs. So as you can see, my motor gets discovered right away, so I will tap on it, then accept this transfer at the receiver's end, wait for the file to get sent and received respectively, and here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.